YouTube, we back with another album reaction. Hey, yeah, we are. We just listened to Claro and featured on the song. I love Claro. For those of y'all who may not know, I love her. I listened to the KSI song, but the bitch ass label wouldn't let me upload it for copyright. And I'm not gonna upload no KSI song on my channel if I can't do it without copyright. Or at least, like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I get copyrighted, but, you know, they let me post it one night. They're like, oh, no problem. Then motherfuckers blocked the whole video. It's like, no one gonna watch your video. No one's gonna be able to see your video. I was like, fuck? What the fuck I'm gonna upload KSI song to my channel for if it's not, you know what I'm saying? If it's not for, you know, for no, like, views or none of that shit. So I said, hell, okay, you know what? What's up? So, now we into the final one. We're gonna react to another album by a band who has the best statistically most viewed video on my channel. It's about to hit 100, not 100. It's about to hit a K views. Yes, shout out to them. Shout out Artic Monkeys. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got another Artic Monkeys video right now. It's been 2 weeks since I reacted to Am, right? I think it's what it's called. Jeez, pardon me, guys. You know, I'm a little slow, so let me just make sure that's what it's called. I'll be having brain farts and shit sometimes, so sometimes shit be slipping my mind, or you know what I'm saying? Yeah, AM. But yeah, we're gonna be checking out their first ever album. Well, at least the first one on Apple Music. Made in 2006. That was 3 years after I was born. Whatever people say I am, that's what I'm not. Whatever people say I am, that's what I'm not. That's what we're gonna check out today, and I'm excited. So this was them when they were younger. There was this dude on my channel who left a comment. Let me go read the comment right now. His little insight on the video. So a little insight on this album. So let me go check that. Oh, gotta turn that down. He said, you should listen to Artic Monkeys' first album. Whatever people say I am, that's what I'm not. They were so they recorded this album when they were 17, and it's fast-paced rock album. Fast-paced rock about nights on town, getting in trouble, and meeting girls. It's a great listen. So shout out Cam Smalley, 1129. Shout out you, bro, for the little insight on this album. So like he said, they were young, talking about getting in trouble at night on town, probably fucking on some bitches. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna listen to this album. I love them. You know, that album was amazing. I love that. So, you know, I'm excited to see how they started out, how their music journey started, and how they sounded like. So, enough for the yap, enough for the chit chat. Yes, no, my fault. That is not a cook chair. No, I did not use that shit. No, I don't sit in that chair. I don't know why that chair's in the corner. Ignore that. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this album. And I don't know. I'll see. I might edit this down. I might not. Y'all let me know about that. Y'all think I should leave it unedited so it's more raw and authentic, or should I edit it just so, you know, to the parts where, like, you know, sometimes when I'm just like head nodding, take those out and just put in the parts where I'm like talking, or like the more exciting parts on a song. Y'all let me know. You know, I feel like that might make it a little bit better of experience. I don't know. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all like to see. Anyways, boom. Whatever people say I am, that's what I'm not. Kind of reminds me of the Kanye song from Graduation. Everything I'm not made me everything I am. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but let me stop all the yapping. Track number 1. There's 13 tracks on this 41-minute song. Pretty good, pretty nice size album. Not too long, not too short. 13 tracks. Track number 1. The View from the Afternoon. Let's go. Oh, shit. Okay. Gosh damn. Hold up. What the hell? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. The Larry girls. What does Larry mean? What does Larry mean? That's some type of slang? Hi, Larry. Cunning or conceited? Oh, okay. Cunning or conceited, okay. Alright, let's go. My fault. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. A little calm right here. A little calm. Yeah, that bass is nice. Yeah. Yeah. Hell no. No. Yeah. 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 Keep that in mind. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. I like that shit. Oh my gosh. They just let that little bass shine through for a little bit. Guitar, I think it sound like bass. Okay. Hold up. Ooh, what the hell? Okay. Yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. Ooh. Damn, that's a good way to end the song. The view from the afternoon. Whoa, hold on. That shit was fast paced as hell. And the difference in his voice is crazy. From the first time I heard him, it's crazy. This shit like it's more grimy, more edgy. This shit, I fuck with that. I like that. That fast paced. Just damn, man. I'm excited for the rest of this. Let's go. Track number 2. I bet you look good on the dance floor. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. Woo! Yeah! Oh! I have to win the bass and guitar like, Stop looking at me like that. I'll look at you like that. Hey. Hey. Yeah. The ad-libs, I love ad-libs, man. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Oh, shit. I'm a sucker for this type of shit right here. Oh. Yeah. Yes, I need a haircut. Yay! Bam, bam, bam. Hey! Yeah! Yeah! Montague the Capulet. This is like Romeo and Juliet. I might be wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Dun, 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 Okay, come on. Build it up, build it up. Give it. Yeah. Y'all know I'm a sucker for that shit. You know I'm a sucker for them taking the beat away and bring it back. Yeah. Yeah, them one of them ones. That's one of them ones. That's one of them ones. I gotta play that shit in the car. I start fucking speeding like a motherfucker. That shit one of them ones. I like this shit. I like this shit. Fast pace. You know what I'm saying? Just going fast pace. Just getting you like riled. It gets you riled up. That shit going. That shit want me. Who needs energy drink when you got music like this shit, bro? 4 a.m. Put the shit on you wide awake, bro. I need a. Ooh-wee. Yeah. Track number 3. Fake Tales of San Francisco. Let's go. Ooh, different vibe. Different vibe from the first two. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. White wine. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. She call that shit ass. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That was hard. This was a hard ass line. That was a hard ass line. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Get your ass off, bitch. Yeah. Get your ass off the bandwagon, bitch. Smooth. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! That might be I'm not jumping to conclusion, but that might be my favorite. Hey, that shit was hard as fuck, bro. That shit was hard as fuck. Yeah, I love everything about that. That shit was good. Like I said, different vibe from the first two, but it's a good thing because you know, and it really picked up. The second half it was picked up a lot more, a little bit more energy. I fought with that. That shit was hard. Damn. Track number 4. Track number 4. Dancing shoes. Let's go.
When you're dancing shoes, there's one thing on your mind.
Okay.
Hoping they're looking for you. Sure you'll be rummaging through.
Yeah.
Oh, and the shit show the horror.
Yeah.
You've seen your future bride. Yeah, but it's also absurd for you to say the first words. So
Yeah.
you're waiting and waiting and
Oh. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. 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 Hope for the best, bitch. Hey. What you scared about, bitch? Go talk to her. Or him. I don't judge. Oh, yeah. Oh, I hear the drums. Oh. Yeah, I'm a sucker for this shit. God damn. Come on, come on, come on. Swine? He called that bitch a pig. I don't call women bitches. I'm sorry, I slipped out. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. You're too scared to go talk to her, bitch. Yeah, we might have a oh. We might have a new favorite. That shit was hard as fuck. Hey, that shit was hard as fuck. I'll pull with that one. That shit was fun. Oh shit. And he's talking about something. He's talking about something. Hey, you came here. You say you're gonna talk all these bad hoes. Now look at you. You scared as hell. You scared. You ain't even, you know, you looking at her. She's looking at you. But you know, but what you doing? Nothing. You're just hoping for the best. That motherfucker over there, he's hitting some of these like. Man, she bad as hell. And then your friend be like, go talk to her. Nah, I'm good. Shit, that shit hard as fuck, bro. Go talk to her. I'm chilling, bro. No need to. Let's go. That shit was hard. That might be my favorite one. Track number 5. You probably couldn't see it from the lights, but you were staring. Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah. Track number... Oh, wait. Oh. There you go. You probably couldn't see it from the lights. You probably couldn't see for the lights, but you were staring. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Oh, fast pace again. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's go. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. That's what happens when you see a band. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's okay to be nervous. It be happening sometimes. Yeah. Hey. Hey, relatable. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying? It happens. Yeah. You always got that one homeboy that's doing too much in front of the hoes. You know what I say? He doing too much. Motherfucker start putting you in a fucking chokehold, full nails and type of shit like, this little bro right here. Man, get your hands off me, boy. You're doing too much. Let's go. Oh. Nah, I'm not that bad. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. Man, she got you. You know what I'm saying? That's what a bad bitch would do, though. Hell nah. Yeah. Woo. Yep. Another one by the baby. Another one. That shit harder too. Man, this shit hard as hell. It's a lot different compared to the first one. To the first one I heard. A lot of different topics. The topics are all different. Yes, I need a cut. You know what I'm saying? I'll go get one this week. Yeah, that one's hard though. Talking about some, hey, if she bad, she gonna have you doing some weird, she gonna have you doing some crazy things. You and your homeboy, y'all gonna be doing some crazy things. She that bad. And I don't blame her. You ever be on like, you ever like be outside or you be scrolling through your phone and you see a bad girl, you know what I'm saying? I don't be calling women bitches no more. No, I never call them bitches. That's disrespectful. But you see a beautiful woman. You're like, damn, I gotta change. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. I gotta change my life. You know what I'm saying? Because you see a bad woman. You know what I'm saying? So I be like that sometimes. Hey, trap number 6. Still take you home. Let's go. Alright, the amp's fucking up a little bit. Oh, yeah. To my right ear only. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm faded, so you look bad right now. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, bimbo. Yeah. Hey. Hey, just stop lying, bitch. You know my name. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I want to learn how to play the bass so bad. Yeah. I like that. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. 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 She. Yeah. was hard too. Man, they were 17, so I don't think on their mind is bad. You know what I'm saying? So I don't blame them. Hopefully they're all. Yeah, let me not even get into it. Anyways, yeah, that shit hard as hell. That was hard. He was talking about some. Yeah, you bad, but you don't know shit. But hey, I'll still take your ass home. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I don't know if it's the out, but you look good. You usually don't look this good when I'm sober. Tight shit. Let's go. Track number 7. Halfway through the album. Damn. Riot Van. Let's go. Little calmer this one. We're gonna lay back a little bit. Okay.
Perhaps these are ones they should avoid. Got a chase last night.
Yeah.
Men with truncheons dressed in hats.
Okay. Smoother.
They didn't do that much wrong. Still ran away though for the laugh.
Yeah.
Just for the laugh. And please just stop talking, cause they won't find us if you do. Oh, those silly boys in blue.
Them damn cops.
Well, they won't catch me and you. Have you been drinking, son? You don't look old enough to me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, officer, is there a certain age you're supposed to be? Cause nobody told me.
Are they from Riot Van for drinking?
Just wind the coppers up. They ask why they don't catch proper crew.
That's what I'm saying. These guys just underage drinking.
Their address and their names took. But he couldn't care less.
This should feel like the end of a movie credit scene type of song right here. I fuck with it. I like it. Nice little mood change too. A little tempo change. It's good. It's always good. Especially like, you know what I'm saying?
Thrown in the riot van, all the coppers kicked him in. And there was no way he could win.
Damn.
Just had to take it on the chin.
Take it on the chin. Move on. Life goes on. Man, I like that. That's cool. That's cool. Nice little. Oh my gosh. Nice little mood switch from the album. Right in the middle of the album. So, you get this. Then you get right here. You just slow it down a little bit. A nice little, shit. He's talking about some. Maybe, yeah, we were maybe underage drinking. We didn't even do nothing too bad. We just ran away for the hell of it. The cops, they could be catching all these fucking wanted criminals, fucking. All these dudes that actually do bad shit, but nah, let them care about us. Because, that's what they do. You know what I'm saying? Cool track. I like that. Track number 8. Red light indicates doors are secured. Long ass titles. Let's go.
We'll ask if we can have 6 in.
Yeah.
We'll have to have 2.
Okay.
We are coming up at our end, aren't you? So I'll get one with you.
Yeah.
I want you let us have 6 in, especially not with the food.
Okay.
He could have just told us no, though. He didn't have to be rude. You see her with the green dress.
Yeah.
She talked to me at the bar.
Okay.
Where I can miss already £2.50. We've only gonna buy a yard.
Oh.
And then you see she was gorgeous. She was beyond belief.
Yeah.
This lad at the side drinking the Smirnoff Ice came and paid for her tropical.
What a bitch. Get out the way.
Going backwards, and I didn't want to leave. I said it's agri made by a Hillsborough, please.
Yeah. She don't want you, bro. Stop buying her drink. She's mine.
Well, I'm funny with that sketch earlier. Up near that taxi rank.
Yeah.
Although you will have missed it. I think it was when you went to the bank. Two lads screaming up, proper shouting. I was next in the queue.
Yeah.
The kind of thing that seems so silly, but not when they both had a few. Well, calm down, temper. We just shouldn't get so annoyed. But you're acting like a silly.
Yeah. You acting like a bitch.
Well, they wanted to be men and do some fighting in the street. They said no surrender, no chance of retreat.
Hey, you wanna fight me? You gonna get hit with this 9. We're from Texas, baby. Nice kidding. Nice kidding. I'm trying to fight. I ain't gonna up no shit. I ain't no bitch. Yeah. Stupid talk. I can't even appreciate the guitar. Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Yeah. Oh. These motherfuckers know how to make some music. They might know a little something, you know what I'm saying? That shit was hard. I like that. Oh, that track was so good. Yeah. Let me lock back in. That track was good. I might top 3 low key. I fought with that hard. That one was good. Like I said, and it's just another tempo change. You had that little slow song, then just pick it right back up. I like that one. I like the way it sounded, everything about that shit. Track number 9. Track number 9. That's not 9, that's 3. Mardy Bum. Mardy Bum. Let's go. Oh, okay. A little more funky type of shit. More groovy.
Well, now that Mardy Bum, I've seen your frown and it's like looking down the barrel of a gun.
Aww. How sweet.
Oh, there's a very pleasant side to you, a side I much prefer. Laughs and jokes around.
He's in love.
Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. It was up and away.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you've got the face.
Oh man. She acting all different. She acting. She got an attitude. Ah, shit. Yeah. Nah, I can't look at you like that.
Just laugh and joke around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground, and it was
up in the way. Hey, that ain't that or no? No? Fuck y'all.
Argumentative. And you've got the face on, and yeah, I'm sorry I was late.
Yeah.
I missed the train, and then the traffic was a state.
Nah, shit. Nah, fuck. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. I love this shit. Y'all know me, bro. It's not the craziest solo ever. Or it's not the craziest, like, riff, pattern, whatever you call it. It's not the craziest, but I just love shit like this. They just take away the beat, just let the guitar shine a little bit, man. I like that shit. Up and away.
Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on.
Wow, that was a nice track. I followed that one. You know, it's kind of weird. The beat was like a little up-tempo, a little like feel good type of beat, or like the you know what I'm saying, the instrumental, the instruments, all that. The production, it was not production because those are the live instruments. I don't even know what you call it. The instrumental, it was like up good. It made me feel a little happy. And then he's talking about some, man, I love this girl, man. She loves cute. If I see her friends like looking at the barrel of a gun, I'm like, oh, that's kind of sweet. Then he's talking about, but not today. You acting like a bitch. And I don't say that word lightly, but that's kind of what he was, you know, That's kind of what he was. What's the word? Iterating, no, implying. He's like, yeah, you're a bitch. I can't even look at you when you're all argumentative and shit. But the beat was like, yeah, it's a good. But then he's talking about something. Yeah, I can't even look at you in the face right now because it makes me feel sad when you're all like this, But hey, that's a good track. I followed that. Track number 9, 10. I think it's track number 10. Yep. Perhaps Vamp. Oh, what the fuck? Hold up. Let me look at my phone because this shit's fucking cut off. Holy fucking titles. Hold up. I gotta see this whole thing. Okay. Perhaps Vampires is a bit strong, but that's it. It's just having eclipses right there. Alright. Track number 10. 4 tracks left, including this one. I think so, right? There's 13 tracks. Yeah, 4 tracks left, including this one. Perhaps Vampires is a bit strong. Okay, let's go. Alright, I think this is the longest song so far. 4 minutes 30. Let's go. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Oh! Yeah! Yeah. Hell nah. Yeah. Boring ass stories. Ah. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. That's all they care about. How much you getting paid? Yeah. And you act like you support us, but you think that we're not gonna work. Fuck you. Yeah. Ooh. Hold up, before we get going. We have 2 minutes 20 left. We have 1 line left. Are we just gonna be an instrumental heavy? Are we just gonna be an instrumental heavy? Cause I'm ready for it. And I'm assuming now before we get into it, I think what is he calling them vampires? Cause they'd be like sucking the life out of them, like sucking the joy out of them that's kind of what I'm interpreting. Like, yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when someone sucks the energy out of you, like you're doing something, they're like, oh, yeah, that's what kind of what I'm trying to say? That's kind of what I'm getting from it. That's why I think it's calling them vampires. Let's go. Yeah. Those bongos? Ooh. I love me a bass. Oh. Yes. Oh, speeding up the snare. Yeah. That shit going crazy in my right ear. Yeah. Who the fuck is on drums going crazy? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah. fucking shit. Yeah, no, yeah. Listen to the guitar. Listen to that fucking bass. Listen to everything about this shit, man. Oh my god. This is top three. Top three. Top three right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What is that? I love this shit. I love it. Yeah. Top three. Top three. That shit was hard. Holy shit, man. I need a cigarette break. It's like, I don't smoke, but you know what I'm saying? That shit was fucking hard. I love it. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Like I said, top three. And I kind of give you my little analysis of the track already. You know, they call them vampires. That's what that's what I get. It's like, yeah, you know, these people say they do all this shit, but they really just haters. You know, they say they support us, not really, they don't. And then we're gonna fail. They asking all these questions. How much they pay to go to this trip? How much they pay to, you know what I'm saying? So that's kind of what I got from it. Like vampires, like sucking the joy, sucking the life out your, you know what I'm saying? I don't fuck with that. We're gonna fuck with that hater shit. We're gonna fuck with that hater shit. Let's go. Track number 11. 3 songs left. When the sun goes down. Let's go.
So who's that girl there?
Who's that beautiful girl? Who is it?
What went wrong so that she had to roam the streets?
Damn.
She don't do major credit cards. I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate.
Damn, she too bad to be on the streets, is what he's saying.
And what a scummy man.
Okay.
Just give him half a chance. I bet he'll rob you if he can.
Damn.
Can see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a driving ban amongst some other offences.
Haha. I just tell that motherfucker weird.
Seen him with girls of the night.
Yeah.
And he told Roxanne to put on her red light. They're all infected, but he'll be alright. Cause he's a scumbag, don't you know?
He's a scumbag.
Said he's a scumbag, don't you know?
Ooh. Yeah, hold on. That's not what I was expecting. I was not expecting this. Oh, shit. That shit got me dying. Ah, fuck. Let's go. Yeah. My hair keep doing that shit.
Although you're trying not to listen, and there your eyes are staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition.
What you make?
I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down.
Damn, you rather go with that bum. Yeah.
I've got a feeling in my stomach.
That motherfucker gonna do some shady shit.
What his story might be, what his story might be. Yeah, 'cause they said it changes when the sun goes down.
Yeah.
They said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down.
Yeah.
Around here,
Dun 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 dun. Yeah.
Look, here comes the portmanteau. Isn't he Mr. Inconspicuous? Doesn't even have to say, oh, she's in a stance ready to get picked up.
Damn.
She's delighted when she sees him, pulling in and giving her the eye.
Damn.
Because she must be fucking free.
Yeah.
Scantily clad beneath the clear night sky. It does stop in the winter now, and they said it changes when the sun goes down.
Yeah.
They said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down around here. They said it changes when the sun goes down. Over the river going.
This might be top 3. Holy shit.
It changes when the sun goes down.
Actually, every song on this album might be top 3. I'm not gonna rank them, they're too good.
And what a scummy man. Just give him half a chance. I bet he'll rob you if he can.
And they just slow it down.
In his eyes, yeah, that he's got a nasty plan. I hope you're not involved.
I hope not. You too bad to be with that bum, girl. Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, hold up. That track, Like I said, bro, every song on here might be top 3. How is that possible? I don't fucking know. But it's going. That's what I'm saying. Every song on here might be top 3 because they're all hard. That was nice. He's talking about some man. There's a beautiful woman over there, but she's stuck with some rando creep bum dude. I can tell that motherfucker got charges. He probably got a suspended license. He probably got domestic violence charges. He probably be touching on some kids, and he probably be touching women inappropriately. Yeah, I can tell just by looking in his eyes. He a bum. What you doing with him? He must be planning some shady shit. You need to come with me. And she's talking about some, no, I'm good here. What J. Cole say? She don't want to be saved, don't save her. You know what I'm saying? Type shit right there. Ain't no Captain Save a hoe, but hoe don't want to be saved. And I fought with that track. That track was hard as hell. Track number 12, I think. I think we're on the second to last track. Track number 12. Yep, second to last track. Enjoyed this album so far. I've been having fun. I've been recording for 46 minutes. Don't even feel like it. From Ritz to Rubble. Let's go.
Last night these two bouncers and one of them's alright, the other one's a scary. And his way totalitarian. He's got no time for you, looking or breathing how he doesn't want you to. So step out the queue, he makes examples of you.
Yeah.
You can say behind the go through to the bit where you pay and you realise then that it's finally the time to walk back past 10,000 eyes in a line.
Yeah. Ooh. Try to be sneaky. Yeah. Yeah. Touch me, bitch, you gonna get hit with this 9. Yeah. I love that shit right there. Yeah. How deep is too deep? You're asking the wrong dude. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Top 3. Like I said, top 3. It's not even over yet.
Last night, what we talked about, it made so much sense.
Okay.
Now the haze has ascended, it don't make no sense anymore. So last night, what we talked about, it made so much sense.
Yeah.
Now the haze has ascended, it don't make no sense anymore.
Come on, man. They know how to get me. Every bridge, they're so good with their bridges, man. Is that gonna say it? That's what I'm assuming. Watch, pretty far that shit. Nope, I was wrong. I was fucking wrong. Yeah, you can make fun of me. Oh yeah, I'm a sucker for bass. One more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we was in the club. These two bouncers, scary looking one. Well, you know, he looked cool. You know, he's trying to make an example out of me. He threw my ass out. Shit, I tried to switch clothes, try to be senior and get back in, but they said hell nah. Type shit. That shit was hard. Last track. Every track on here has been top 3. How does that work? I don't know, but they all been top 3. Last one. Can this one crack the top 3? We'll see. A Certain Romance. Let's go. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Damn. All right. I thought it was gonna be slower. I guess not. Okay. See, I was expecting a little bit more of this right here. Yeah. Yeah. Dun 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 dun.
Loading my wear classic Reeboks.
Yeah.
Knackered Converse or tracky bottoms tucked in socks.
Mm.
Oh, that's what the point is not.
What's the point then?
Point's that there ain't no romance around there.
Damn.
There's the truth that they can't see. They'd probably like to throw a punch at me. And if you could only see them, then you would agree.
I guess so.
That there ain't no romance around there, you know. Oh, it's a funny thing, you know.
Yeah.
We'll tell 'em if you like. We'll tell 'em all tonight.
Alright.
They'll never listen.
Why?
Their minds are made up, of
Yeah.
course it's all okay to carry on that way.
Well.
'Cause over there, there's broken bones.
Okay.
There's only music, so that there's new ringtones.
Oh.
And it don't take no Sherlock Holmes
Hell
to
nah.
see it's a little different around here. Don't get me wrong, notice boys in bands.
Yeah.
And kids who like to scrap with pool cues in their hands. And just 'cause
Damn.
he's had a couple of cans, he thinks it's alright to act like a dickhead. Don't you know? Oh, it's a funny thing, you know.
What?
Tell 'em if you like. We'll tell 'em
Yeah.
all tonight, they'll never listen.
See, this is what I was expecting when I first heard it.
Made up, and course it's all okay to carry on that way, but
That's
say
it.
no. Well, you won't get me to go, not anywhere.
Why?
Not anywhere. No, I won't go.
Why?
Oh, no, no.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Okay. And then you got this motherfucker over here. This should make me happy.
Well, over there, there's friends of mine. What can I say? I've known them for a long, long time. And it might overstep the line.
Yeah.
Just cannot get angry in the same way.
Why? 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 What'd you say?
So not in the same way. Oh no.
It's over. No more lyrics. Just let's go. Ooh! Yeah. Y'all know I love this shit. I love this type of shit right here. I can spend hours with this shit like this. Yeah. 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 Boom. Crash cymbal. Boom. Oh, he's just tapping the cymbal now. Yeah. Love ain't the same around here. Shit's just not. Wow. I might just sit here for a couple minutes. Can't do that. Wow. What an album, man. That was a great outro right there. Great outro. Great outro to that album. Every song on here was good. Not even a bad, not even a mid song. Not even a okay song. They were all fucking good. Every song, great. Every song on here was great. This shit was amazing. This being their first 2006, they were 17. Motherfuckers 17 doing all this shit, bro. Holy damn, motherfucker. Holy shit. Motherfuckers talented as hell when they were just 17. Crazy. This is I might like this better than AM. I might like it. I don't know. I've listened to AM a couple times. I fuck with it hard. I can see why. If you go to Apple Music, it says top 100 albums ever. I can see this is good. I think this might just be equally as good, if not maybe better. I don't know. I gotta give it a couple more listens, but I really enjoyed that album. I've been recording for 56 minutes now, 57. Didn't even feel like I felt like I just blitzed through that whole album. So that song was 5 minutes long. Did not feel 5 minutes. It's damn near 6 minutes. Every album on here had like an average of what 2 minutes 40 seconds. No, that didn't feel it. Didn't even feel like it. The album went by fast, and then that's a good thing, cause you know I didn't feel like it dragged. Didn't feel like nothing. Great album. I can't wait to check out their next album. Probably go in order, you know what I'm saying. So the next album after this, I don't know what it's called, but I'm definitely gonna check it out. Probably, you know what I'm saying. I'll probably wait a little bit just so it's not like too oversaturated. You know what I'm saying. Like I don't want to be putting out like a good Arctic Monkeys album every fucking day, maybe every week or every 2 weeks, like I've been doing, but I don't know. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that album. Y'all let me know what album I should react to next. I might just check out Pink Floyd. It's Pink Floyd. I don't know. I know they do psychedelic rock, and I love psychedelic rock, even though I haven't heard much of it. I love like psychedelic rock type shit, so it might be next on the radar. We'll see what's up with them. But yeah. If you enjoyed the reaction, leave a little like, subscribe if you fuck with me. You know, you enjoyed the little music reaction content. Leave a little thumbs up, subscribe, leave a little comment, see how you feel about it. If not, it's cool. You know, if you viewing, that's cool too. You know, I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support on the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.